so good to see you again. I am so excited to share with you our next 4-part series. It will be about decluttering. Decluttering your mind, decluttering your emotions, decluttering your physical being, as well as decluttering, of course, your spiritually fit room. So let's jump in, shall we? So here you are, you're in your mentally fit room. Whether you use the lens as a leader or a team member, it's so important that we take this time to declutter. Spring is a perfect time, right? This is a time when we start to declutter our space at home and our office, and it's an opportunity to say, what serves me, what doesn't serve me? So let's jump in. I love to use the lens as the eagle's eye view. So what does that mean? So it's almost like an eagle. As an eagle, we allow ourselves to look down and say, okay, so what in my thinking ends up tripping me up? Where do I feel bad about myself? Where do I end up creating a story that doesn't exist? You know, that whole overthinking thing, right? The obsessive thinking, and you find out none of it's real. I always keep saying we should sell it to Hollywood. And they'd go, there's no way somebody thought this up. So what I want you to be thinking about and writing for the next 7 days is writing in your journal, is writing about what are some thoughts you need to let go of. This is a time where I'm doing so much work with teams, with training, with keynoting, with retreats. Retreats have been in high demand for me. A lot of coaching right now because people are saying, Cate, I'm up to here. I've got nothing left to give. I'm all shelled out. And maybe that's you too. So what I'd like you to be mindful of is what are you renting space on up here? What is your thinking? The more that you can be intentional about what your thoughts are and stopping the ones that are not serving you well, the better off you'll be. Your whole body, mind, and spirit will thank you. So that's your homework. I want you to definitely write into your journal, what is it? What are the thoughts that are serving you and what are the thoughts that are not serving you? And let's declutter the thoughts that are not serving you so you can have a new beginning, which is our next series, all about new beginnings, right? So we want to clear away what's not serving us well so we can create that clean space, that clean slate for new beginnings. So we'd love for you to share this with your team, maybe even mention it at your next team meeting. Say, hey, what thought keeps tripping you up? What do you need to spring clean? What do you need to let go of so that you don't keep robbing yourself of your joy or causing yourself undue stress? And sometimes my clients say, Cate, I keep scaring myself. The perfectionist in me keeps coming out. And again, I remind them, remember, perfect is good. Done is better. So whatever that is, that thought, let's interrupt it. Let's interrupt it. Let's make sure that we're replacing it with something healthy. Have yourself a beautiful day. So good to see you again. Bye for now.